Going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you. Right now I am at another service call, getting my hog on. I cut this out the other day, and now I'm going to use some of this tubing that he had and build a frame here. And like I say, I cut all that out. It was messed up. I still got a couple more things to cut out, as you see. Cut that section out so we can fix that, patch that hole. I'm gonna take this, I guess it's some type of air unit, like a freezer or something. Take that out of here. And he said he think he gonna make a mobile office out of it, a small office. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, building a frame on here and probably patching a couple holes. Hold on.